Hello friends. Today, I'm bringing you a new DIY video on how to make a table lamp, a design I accidentally came across on Pinterest. Let's get started. I tried searching for a lamp for my PC desk and came across a design that looked very artistic. When I clicked on the website of the lamp, I found multiple images from different angles, which helped me in the making process. The original lamp costs over $300, but my DIY version costs around $20. However, it's not as big as the actual model. Please note that I'm not copying this product for commercial purposes, and if you like the design, please support the original creator by purchasing directly from them. Alright, let's get started. Using the reference images, I modeled the lamp in 3ds Max, a software I'm very familiar with. I also had to carefully calculate the joints, the placement of the light, and the wiring path to ensure everything was as perfect as possible. I printed my model using a 3D printer, and to minimize the number of joints, I scaled it down from the original size. The lamp stands about 25 centimeters tall, which is roughly half the size of the original version. This process took me almost a full day. Finally, here are all the printed parts along with a small LED light that I ordered from an online shop. Keep in mind that I measured the LED's dimensions beforehand to ensure a proper fit when designing in the 3D software. As you can see, the surface of the 3D printed model isn't completely smooth and is covered with layer lines from the printing process. To fix this, I used a sanding machine and manually sanded the surface multiple times before painting it. I really hate this step. It makes my hands tired and takes a lot of time. After achieving a smoother surface, I used spray paint for the final finish. I chose a glossy red paint to make the lamp look more stylish. I applied about 3 coats, waiting 30 minutes between each one to ensure a smooth and even finish. Finally, it's time to assemble the lamp. This step is quite simple, and I can easily replace the LED inside if needed. I know this lamp isn't as perfect as the original, but making it myself brings me a lot of joy. Plus, it fits perfectly with the cozy, chill vibe of my PC setup. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more DIY projects.